When painting around an electrical outlet, what you want to do is remove this plastic part around the outlet instead of trying to paint up to it. So there'll be 4 little screws. So you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so this just comes right off. Then it's much easier to paint up to it. Now you're ready to apply the paint. For this I like to use a brush that's about 2 inches. I find that it applies the right amount of paint. So what you want to do is just get about that much on. Okay, once you get it on there, then just you want to feather out the ends, the edges. Now that you have this part painted, what I like to do is you can do the second coat and just run that past. Just nice and easy. Spread out that amount of paint as far as you can anyway. You actually can just do your first coat up to the outlet as well. Without the plate cover on, you can get very close. There, now we'll just let that dry and we'll be ready to put the light plate cover back on. Alright, now that the painting is dry, the paint is dry, I should say, then you can put this plate cover back on. You want to give the paint quite a bit of time, because if you put the plate cover back on too soon, then it'll stick to the paint, and when the next person goes to take it off, it will bring the paint off with it, which I have experienced lots of times, because people will put these plate covers back on, screw these screws in real tight, and the paint hasn't quite been dried, and yeah, it'll bond right to the side of the plastic. So you just want to put these back in nice and snug. And that's how you paint around the light switches.